Helamong Kusuma Putra dari kelas Manajemen 22A dengan NPM 2241115. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi Selection and Placement. Definisi: understanding selection. Selection is a necessary stage in the recruitment process carried out by the company correctly so that it get good employees expect. The following are several explanations regarding definition selection according to several sources. Selection is the process of selecting people who have the necessary qualification to fill the job vacancy in a company or organization. Without any employees quality, a company has a smaller probability to success. Selection decisions are an important part of successful HR management. Progress in organization performance for an employer may vary from change in the program intensive, better training, or more job design good. But if employers don't start with people who have the appropriate capabilities who are ready to work, this result might not achieve. Definition of placements. Placement is the next stage after the selection progress into. This placement stage is carried out with the hope that the company able to get a good quantity and good quality of work from someone employed. The following are several explanations regarding definition placement according to several sources. Placing someone into the right job position. Young most importantly, human resource placement must be seen as a process matching. If an employee is suited to the job, it will be affecting the number and quality of employee work. Matching this to directly affect training and operating costs. Individuals who are unable to produce the quantity and quality of work expectedly. It can cause significant loss of money and time, which is harm for company. Selection and placement. Selection and placement are steps taken immediately after implementation of the recruitment function. The selection and placement process is one of the most important function in human resource management due to the availability atau unavailability of works in quantity and quality that is in accordance with the needs of the organization. Whether it is achieved or not, applicants who have passed the recruitment process, whatever they are correct or not placement of a worker in a certain position, vary determined by the selection and placement function. If this function is not carried out properly, then it will automatically fatal impact on the achievement of organizational goals. Selection step. To start the selection procedure, company must fulfill three conditions. First, there is a need for labor and authority to appoint which come from the labor requisition list. Second, company must have staffing standard to compare against with prospective. This is referenced by the job specific developed through job analysis. Third, company must have job applicants who can be selected for appointment. A manpower recruitment to decide whether the company needs to hold recruitment. No employees need several things to consider, including analysis, workload, and policy of top management. Job analysis is a process describing and recording information about behavior and work activities. The purpose of conducting a job analysis is so that HRD, Human Resource Development, is more effective and work understand clearly and will be the company and the purpose. Identify employee specification. Identify the employee specification. In order to obtain description of the application specification, intended to obtain description of the applicant's specification, which include knowledge, skill, and ability to identify the specification of the company as employee do several things. 1. Application form. 2. examination of application. 3. Interview. 4. Test. 5. Physical exam. Scope of employee placement. Employee placement means allocation employees in certain work position. This happens respectively the new employees, 90 to old employees who have filled position or job, including the target qualification of employee placement in the sense of retention in position or move it to another position. Displacement. This relationship includes promotion, transfer, and demotion. The two definitions above indicate the employee placement is carried out after the employee concurrent has passed the selection. This is not the case. This only applies to new employees, but also applies to employee placement. The two definitions above indicate the placement of all employees, but promotion and transfer of duties and demotion. Purpose of placement. The purpose of placement is to get employees placed in position that whatever their potential and abilities, an effective placement process will help employees to develop and achieve job satisfaction. Placement stage. 1. Assessment of selection result. Assessment of selection result is a stage to determine whether application meet the requirement to be placed in a particular position. 2. Job offer. A job offer is the stage of offering a position to applicants who meet the requirements. 3. Acceptance process. The acceptance process is the step for processing the document and requirement needed to start work. 4. Orientation. Orientation is the stage to introduce new employees to the company, work culture, and the tasks they will carry out. 5. Evaluation. Evaluation is a stage for assessing the performance of new employees within a certain period of time. Benefit of placement selection. Number 1. Helping company to get qualified employees who suit their needs. Number 2. Increase employees' productivity and performance. Number 3. Reduce recruitment and training costs. Number 4. Increase employee job satisfaction. Number 5. Create a positive work environment. Placement conclusion. Selection and placement are two important processes in HR management. An effective selection process will help company to get qualified employees who meet their needs. An effective placement process will help employees to develop and contribute ultimately to the company. Thank you semuanya.